This is Happy Wheels Cars and Stuff, and today we're going over how to adjust your camber on the ST Suspension XTA Coilovers. So let's get to it.
You're going to adjust your camber to your preferred specification by using these tag marks as guides. Each mark is approximately 0.5 degrees of camber, and obviously the marks going towards the inside top mount bolt will be for negative camber, and the positive camber for the other marks. You'll need to loosen, but not remove, the 4 bolts holding the camber plate in place. Then slide the plate to your preferred position and tighten the camber plate bolts back in place. As a side note, this is not a recommendation or me telling you to do this, but you can also cut a hole in the top of your strut tower for easier camber plate access. That is all based on what you want to do to your car, and SCCA regulations for me. Make sure the top mount is snug before reinstalling the coilover. With the coilover installed, you can easily adjust camber for daily and track use by loosening the upper of the 2 lower strut bolts, and then push the hub inwards for negative camber, or pull outwards for positive camber. Once that's done, tighten and torque the bolt to 65 foot-pounds. You will need to have an alignment done every time you adjust your camber, as well as set your adjustable end links to have a neutral load once on the ground. Thank you everybody for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please feel free to like it and leave your comments in the comment section below. If you want to subscribe, hit that subscribe button and that bell to be notified whenever I have new content. In the meantime, enjoy one of the videos on the top left or right. Have a good one.